Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can resize shapes in your canvases and drawings on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your canvas on Affinity, draw a shape using the shape tool here, for example, or you may use the pen or pencil tool for that. I will go with that example shape here. So there are two ways how you can resize it. For example, guys, if you left click into it, you may use these nodes here in the corner to resize the given shape. Hold your left mouse and move your mouse to find your preferred shape size like this. There's also the option to use these handles here or these nodes to increase the shape height and width. You can do that as well. And then there's also the option, guys, to press and hold shift on your keyboard, and then you may, for example, resize the shape while keeping the aspect ratio, or you press and hold left control on your keyboard, and that is going to allow you, for example, to adjust the size like this while pressing and holding left control and using these nodes in these corners. You can change the appearance and also the aspect ratio of the given shape, and that's the second option, guys, right? So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.